Hello everyone, welcome to the complete Sicilian Defense Masterclass. In this video, we will continue our analysis on the Boleslavsky approach. We will discuss the variation when white plays the move b3. In this variation, the first 10 or 12 moves are full of theory, means the book moves. So let's start. So this game was played between Golod and Asef in St. Petersburg in 1998. Here Golod had white pieces and he started with e4. Now black played c5. Now knight to f3, d6, d4, c takes on d4, knight takes on d4, knight to f6, and now knight to c3, developing the queenside knight. And in this position black played the traditional move knight to c6. Now we have bishop to e2, e5, knight to f3, h6, white castle kingside. Now black develop his black square bishop to e7. Now rook to e1, black castle kingside 2, and now h3, which is preventing bishop to g4. Now black played bishop to e6, and now we have bishop to f1, and black goes for knight to b8. And up to this position we already discussed in the previous video in details. And after this knight to b8 move, in this position white played the move b3. And this is the b3 variation of this Boleslavsky approach. This b3 move is very logical in this position. In this position white's idea to prevent or counterplay and also maneuver his knight from f3 to e3 square via d2 and c4 to control the light square and also to prevent most standard d5 break. And this plane is probably the toughest nut for black to crack in this Boleslavsky approach. So after this b3, the most popular move for black will be to play a6, and this is the best move in this position. And then white will go for a4, which is very logical, gaining space on the queen side. Now black played knight from b to d7. Now we have bishop to b2, fianchetto to his bishop to b2 square, and now black will go for queen to c7. In this position, instead of playing queen to c7, one move that black can play, and that is rook to c8. And after rook to c8, white can lead the game by playing knight to d2, and after queen to a5 we have possibly this continuation, knight to c4. Now bishop takes on c4, bishop takes on c4, knight to b6, bishop to f1. Now rook takes on c3, giving up the exchange for two minor pieces. And after queen to d2, rook from f to c8, now rook to e3, and now knight takes on e4. If in this position, instead of playing knight takes on e4, if rook from 3 to c5 is played, then we have possibly this continuation, b4, and after rook takes on c2, queen takes on c2, rook takes on c2, b takes on a5, rook takes on b2, a takes on b6, rook takes on b6, and now rook to c1. And in this position white is better than black. That's why back to the move rook to e3. In this position knight takes on e4 is good move. And now we have rook takes on e4, queen to d5, queen takes on d5, knight takes on d5, bishop takes on c3, knight takes on c3, rook to c4, rook takes on c4, and now b takes on c4, and this is about equal for both white and black. Now back to the game. So in the game, after white played the move bishop to b2, black played queen to c7, and which is the main line, and now a5 by white. In this position, another alternative move that white can consider, and that is instead of playing a5, knight to d2. And this knight to d2 move will leads to a draw. After knight to d2, we have possibly this continuation. Queen to c6, a5, now d5 by black, e takes on d5, knight takes on d5, knight takes on d5, bishop takes on d5, knight to c4, f6, knight to e3, and now bishop to e6. And this continuation was played between Sagalchik and Asif in the year of 1995, and the game ended in a draw. That's why the move played in the game, and that is a5, and this looks like a very good move in this position. And after a5, black played rook from a to c8, and white played knight to d2. Actually, in this position, white's idea to play knight to c4 followed by queen to f3 and then knight to e3 to control the vital d5 and f5 square. Now black played d5. Actually, in this position, black can also play the move rook from f to e8, and then we have possibly this continuation. Knight to c4, queen to c6, queen to f3, d5, e takes on d5, knight takes on d5, knight takes on d5, bishop takes on d5, and now queen to g3, and this is better for white. Now back to the game. So in the game, after white played the move knight to d2, black played d5, and now we have e takes on d5, knight takes on d5, knight takes on d5, bishop takes on d5, and now knight to c4. And you can see that in this position white and black both are equal. Now I will not discuss the further game, and the reason is after knight to c4 move means after 19th move we are into the middle game, and there are so much possibilities. We only discussed the opening theory of this b3 variation of this Boleslavsky approach, and we also discussed what are the variations that are good for both white and black and what are the variations to avoid. So in the next video I will discuss the knight to b3 line of this Boleslavsky approach. So see you in my next video. Good luck.